Sile sabak.
Hello children, my name is Anara. Welcome to English class. How are you today? I'm sure you are all doing great. Prepare your books, workbooks, pens and pencils. Look, today we will talk about parts of the body. Let's learn together and remember all words. Are you ready? Let's go! Look at the picture, repeat and remember the words. Head, head. Let's spell it. H-E-A-D. Head. Hair, hair. H-A-I-R. Ears, ears. E-A-R-S. Eyes, eyes. E-Y-E-S. Nose, nose. N-O-S-E. Mouth, mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Teeth, teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Shoulders, shoulders. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R-S. Stomach, stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Arms, arms. Let's spell it. A-R-M-S. Arms. Hands, hands. Let's spell it. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Legs, legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. Feet, feet. Let's spell it. F-E-E-T. Feet. Good job. Now children, listen and repeat the words.
Unit 3. Lesson 1. Parts of the body. Exercise 1. Head, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, fingers, legs, foot or feet, tooth or teeth, face, hair, eyes, nose, mouth, ears.
Good job. Now write the words into your notebooks. Head, face, hair, eyes, nose, mouth, tooth, teeth, ears, neck, foot, feet, shoulder, shoulders, finger, fingers, arm, arms, hand, hands, stomach, leg, legs, knee, knees, toe, toes, back, back. Good job, children. Now look at the picture for 20 seconds and remember the words. Now let's play. I show you a picture and you say what part of body is it. Are you ready? Go. What part of body is it? Yes, it's hair. Next, it's an arm. This is a hand. What about this? It's a leg. What's this? This is a knee. What is it? Yes, it's a shoulder. And this is a back. Now let's check. Is it correct? Good job. Now repeat after me. Hair, hair. Chest, chest. Arm, arm. Foot, foot. Knee, knee. Leg, leg. Stomach, stomach. Shoulder, shoulder. Back, back. Head, head. Hand, hand. Good job. Yes, children, now we have more words to remember. What part of the body is it? It's a face. Face. Next, eyes. An eye. Ears. An ear. A nose. A mouth. Good job. Now, I say the word and you show it on your body. Show me your feet. Okay, show me your head. Here is my head. Show me your hands. These are hands. Where is your mouth? Show me, where is your mouth? This is your mouth. Shoulders. Where are your shoulders? Yes, these are your shoulders. Good job, children. Okay, now do the crossword in your notebooks and show your answers to your teachers. Good job. Children, do you like dancing? Okay, stand up everybody. Let's sing a song together and dance. It's called Head and Shoulders. Okay, do you remember the parts of the body now? Good job. Now let's continue. Open your books to page 45, complete exercise 3. There are 5 fingers in my hand. Yes, look. I have a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers in my hand. Good job. I smell. I smell with my nose. Yes. Good. I can hear with my ears. Right. I can see with my eyes. Good job. I can speak with my mouth. Right. I kick a ball with my foot. Good job, children. Look at the pictures and make up your own sentences. Let's do the first one together. Look at the picture. We smell with the nose. Show me, how do you smell? You smell it. Yes, you smell with your nose. Next, what sentence can you make? Look, we kick the ball with the foot. Right. Another one. We hear with our ears. We speak with our mouths. Next, when we meet, we shake hands to say hello. We shake hands to say hello. And the last one is, we train our body. Write your sentences into your notebooks and show them to your teachers. Okay? Good job! Now, children, let's play a memory game. We will train our memory. You need to be very, very attentive. Let's start. We need to find picture and the words that match together.
Leg, arm,
It doesn't match.
ear, leg,
It doesn't match.
leg, leg,
Yes, it matches.
mouth, ear,
Do you remember where was the ear?
ear,
Ear.
ear,
Yes, it matches now.
arm, mouth, foot, eye, arm, foot, arm,
Yes, we find it.
hand, eye,
Yes.
nose, foot, nose, hand, mouth, foot, hand, foot.
Now we have the last word.
Hand.
Good job, children. Did you like it? You can play this game online and train your memory. Children, that's all for today. Learn the new words about parts of the body, train your memory, and take care. See you soon.